Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. So sometimes we are basically left with all of these physical ailments or chronic illnesses, and we do not know or understand where they come from. When one heals the etheric body, it actually delivers enough energy to heal the physical body ailments. When it comes to our mental body or mental mind, a lot of the emotions or things that are stuck in there eventually manifest in the body, so that can actually help you to release that part. Also knowing that the etheric body, the seventh layer, can help with expansion and a deeper connection with your main purpose. Never forget that only by asking your guides, they can actually help you with divine intervention. Thank you, guys.